Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is Labels for Gmail. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our Gmail account. So once again, if you have a Google account, you have a Gmail account. I'm on an iPad right now, and I have the Gmail app downloaded, which you can do, definitely. You can download the Gmail app to use your Google Mail on an iPad. You can also use the Gmail app on an Android device as well. So we're just going to So when you open this up, it might actually show you the last email you looked at, or it might just be on one of your folders, such as the primary folder, your social folder, which is here, or your promotions. So if you go back here, this is your primary. This is where your primary emails come in. So now if we're going to create a label, if you hit the hamburger menu up here, which is the 3 lines that you see, this is where you're going to see everything. So you're going to see all of your different inboxes that you have. You're going to see settings, and this is where your folders are as well. You can create a new folder or a new label. So we're going to hit create new and label name. So now you're just going to name it whatever you'd like to name it. So I'm just going to name it Nintendo because I have a lot of Nintendo emails that I want to put into one place. So you're going to hit save. Okay, so there's nothing in here right now, so that's okay. So we're going to go back up to this hamburger menu here, and you can see that your label here says Nintendo. So now we're going to add things into that label. So I'm going to go up to my primary here, which is my primary emails, and you can label things. So what you're going to do is you're going to you can hover like this, where you actually hold it until you can press something. You can hit the 3 dots here, and you can hit move, and then you can hit Nintendo, and it's going to move it to Nintendo. There's another way you can do this as well. So if you are already in an email, for example, so I'm just going to open this one here. And you can just go through here and you can just go to here and then to label and then Nintendo. And then you just click off of it. You can also go to here and go to move, and then you can move it that way as well. To see your labels, you just hit the hamburger menu again. You can go down here and you can see that Nintendo's right here. So we're just going to click on Nintendo. And these are the 2 emails that are here. So once again, as you get emails that come in, you can definitely move them into any label that you want. You can move them into other places. So if you want to move into the important label, you can do that as well. There's many ways to do this. So once again, to create a label, you're just going to go into create new and hit save. Once again, you can see here it says special here. You can definitely go through and you can take a look at all of your labels here. But if you do have ones that are repeats, it will tell you it's a repeat label, and it won't let you label the same thing twice, just because then it makes it more confusing. So if you go back through here, you can see that you have your starred. So anything that is starred will be here. So when I say starred, if you go back into your primary area here, and you can hit the star next to that. So any of your emails you want to star, you can hit starred, and you can see that it's right here. If you go into snooze, so these are things that you've put away that you're not worrying about right now, that you're not answering. You can snooze things as well. Important, so anything that's important that you want to move in here, you definitely can do that as well. Your sent files, if there's anything here that's been sent. Scheduled, so this is where if you set up an email and you compose an email and you want to send it later, you can schedule emails to go out later on. And you can do this with Outlook as well, and any of the other apps pretty much have this. Your drafts, so things that you've started working on, emails that you've started working on but haven't sent, will be in the draft area. All mail, so if you want to see everything at once into one place, it's right here, and all your mail will show up here. Your spams, this is where the spam stuff will come in. And then you can empty your spam as well, or it'll be automatically deleted in 30 days. You have your trash bin here. So once again, your trash bin will be emptied after 30 days, or you can just hit empty trash now, okay, and you empty the trash. Your labels will stay down here, and then your settings are here. And that's labels for Gmail. Have a great day.